Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm gonna show you an overview of a multi-branches condominium management system. Let's say an apartment building management. This project has too many cool features. I'm gonna show you some of them. For example, um, user role based dashboard, systematic uh, booking system, parcel management, and issue handling. The concept behind this project is there will be the central admin will hire a HR, and the HR will hire other employees like managers, assistants, securities, super, whatever they need for a particular branch. Well, this is the dashboard for HR, and she can see other interested employees in different positions and different branches. For example, Chris and Becky, they want to work in a Lakeshore branch. Um, one of them is wanna work as assistant, another one is as a manager. Similarly, if somebody wanna work, they have to fill out the form. They have to um, specify the position or department and the branches, whatever other information um, should be seen by you know HR right away. This and HR will verify resume, other details, and they can be hired. For example, here this HR is gonna hire Chris as an assistant, Becky as a manager, and Rob as a security for the same Lakeshore Tower. Okay, once they're hired, they disappear from here and they can um, log into the dashboard. Well, for example, Chris is logging and he's seeing all the um, guest suite and party room booking. Because these bookings should be paid, he has to verify the payment and he can approve the booking. Similarly, as an assistant, he can see too many things here. He has to add, update all the units, all facilities, all resident, owner, tenants, and he has to um, handle all contractors, cleaners, employees separately. Well, um, for example, he's gonna add one of the unit, and he has to update the information. What's the maintenance fee? What's the bedroom? What's the bathroom? And whatever units updated can be seen here. The detail, the updated it can be seen. The maintenance fee, the specification. I mean, one bedroom, two bedroom will be seen here. Similarly, assistant can add update, like resident owner, and he has to fill up the form, how many pages, you know what's the resume, other details should be filled out, and whatever authorized owner tenant can be seen here. For example, Lily and Ted, they are owner, and similarly Emma is a tenant. Here Ted is a resident owner for a particular unit. So owner and tenant should have different dashboard or slightly different features. Well, and he has to update the maintenance fee sometimes, according to board decision. The maintenance fee might be changed, so it's not easy to update unit wise. So he can do bulk update. For example, there will be the different rate for a bachelor, and different maintenance fee for one bedroom or two bedroom. Yeah, the assistant will fill out the minor form, and then for example here bachelor is 600, and then one bed is 650. Similarly, he can just update. Bachelor will be 700 and one bed 750, two bed 800. The update will be seen right away, and that will update even 100,000 units. It doesn't matter. That's the one cool feature for this project, right? Well, um, and then similarly, the manager, as a manager, he has to handle issue. He has to handle issue right away, and there might be hundreds of issues every day in a single building. And who is the filing the issue, and then what's the details can be seen. What's the title of the issue, water leakage, or broken door, anything might happen. And the manager will see detail, the description, and whatever audio, video, photo, the proof can be seen here, and whatever update according to the sensitivity of the issue. I mean, some issues should be addressed right away, so here manager called a plumbing company, because this is the water leakage case. There might be flooding. So the plumber came and fixed the issue, and now the manager set the appointment for the painting the same unit. So it's systematically resolved. Similarly, the issue will be resolved um, um, in a systematic way. Too many updates can be done, and similarly, as a manager, he can see all employees, their details, and he can distribute tasks according to their specialization. Well, let's go one of the owner dashboard, and only the owner can see the tenant. For example, here this owner of 206 is a resident owner, and somebody is interested to rent a unit. It's a owner responsibility. He can rent, or sometime he is not gonna rent. Only the owner can see the tenant, and the owner should approve the tenant. And as a resident owner, he can see maintenance fee. For example, whatever updated maintenance fee can be seen here, and whatever paid will be disappear from here, and it will be saved in a database. But the payment, the due payment, will be seen here, and the owner can pay in a single month or whole year. It doesn't matter. Well, the owner, as a resident owner, he can file an issue. Whatever happens, anything, there might be a noise complaint, or a fire, something can be done here. I mean, he can describe everything, and the manager will see the issue right away. Similarly, as a resident owner, he can see available facilities like guest suite room, party room, whatever, billiard room. Some of them should be paid, some of them should be free. And if he can verify detail, I mean, before he invite the guests, they can see the whatever the structure, what's the price, all details can be seen. Well, similarly, this is the dashboard for one of the tenant, and she can see only few features. I mean, she cannot see the maintenance fee, but she will see her parcel. I mean, whatever parcel are received by the security will be seen here. She can pick up the parcel from the security desk right away. And similarly, she can see her own booking, whatever booking she paid, can be seen here. For example, guest suite, she booked one of the guest suite from June 26 to June 27. Similarly, another guest suite for June 30. Well, there will be the security decks. I mean, 24 hour security decks in most of the apartment building or condominium nowadays. So security will have too many features. I'm gonna address most of the important features here. For example, as a security, he can see all the facilities. I mean, whatever available facility, he has to see the booking time, like and available time. He can see in three different ways. For example, he can see the particular guest room booking, and the corresponding time slot for the same guest room can be seen here. The starting, ending, whatever will be seen here, and the resident detail can be seen here. So you can call them, or email them if any issue happens. Well, similarly, he can see approved guest room in different ways. I mean, for example, guest room 1, there are 2 bookings. From one of them is June 20 to June 25, another one is June 13 to June 15. Similarly, guest room 2 is only one booking here, and this booking can be seen this way or this way. It's just viewing. The systematic way, there's you can see some booking in calendar form as well. Guest room 1, July 1 to June 30 to July 1 is gone. Similarly, July 1 of the party room is booked. For another guest suite, it's booked from July 1 to July 6. You can see in calendar. And whatever new booking should not be overlapped. For example, this party room for July 1st from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. is already booked. So if you want to book the same party room from 3 to 4 o'clock on the same day, then he has to confirm the booking. I mean, the payment should be confirmed, and once he confirm the booking, if it is overlap, the system will kick out. Let's confirm it, and the system says sorry, that booking is not available. Similarly, the visitor parking. It's completely flexible, either 1 hour or 1 day or even 15 days. Sometimes managers should um, allow a particular resident for a couple of days vigil parking booking, so it can be done just you know uh, for 15 days or whatever. The license plate, whatever resident, whatever parking spot, and what time slot, which date, which time, you should fill out here. And the single day's booking can be seen systematic ways. For example, for the particular day June 30, the visitor parking 1OT is booked from 4 to 6 and 7 to 10. Other slots are available. For example, somebody can book from 1 to 3, and similarly 11 to next day, whatever. Is systematic. Well, the other thing is, again, the uh, you know guest room booking. For example, this guest room 1 is booked from um, June 30 to July 1st already. If somebody wanna book from July 1 to July 5, the system should kick out. I mean, it's just overlapping. System says, so this booking is not available. Similarly, the other feature is here, parcel management. The security can deliver the receive parcel. I mean, this parcel is received for a particular resident, and once it's delivered, then that will be disappear from here, and you can see in the delivered parcel area. I mean, the record, the history will be saved. Which time was delivered, when it was received, everything is working, guys. And similarly, security can add parcel from unit wise, and he can write even important notes here. Whatever parcel is updated, received date, the resident will see right away, and then they can pick up the parcel. And whatever deliver will be seen in delivered history. The parcel can be updated in different ways. Some unit, the security can pick the unit, and the only the resident of the particular unit will be seen here, and then that will be updated. The updated parcel will be seen in the security dashboard right away. So it has too many features, guys. I have been trying to cover important features only. I already uploaded videos regarding employee management system and payment system. Please watch my other videos, and thank you for your time. I'll come back with a different exciting project in future. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys.